Most people believe financial change begins with income, a better salary, a better opportunity, a better investment. But if that were true, everyone making more money would feel secure. And yet, some people make six figures and then still feel anxious every time they check their bank account, still feel behind, still feel trapped, still feel afraid. Why? Because money is not just mathematical, money is emotional. Welcome to Inner Shift Finance, where we explore the emotional and psychological patterns that silently shape your financial life. Not just how you spend money, but why. Because the truth is, your financial life rarely changes when you learn another strategy. It changes the moment you begin changing yourself. There's a moment in everyone's life when you finally understand something nobody ever taught you in school. Money was never the real problem. The real problem was the story you were telling yourself about money. Because money isn't mathematical, money is emotional. And until you understand that, you'll always feel like you're fighting a battle you can't win. Think about it. If money was logical, everyone would save. Everyone would invest. Everyone would avoid debt. Everyone would live below their means. But that's not what happens. Because numbers don't control your life. Your emotions do. Fear, guilt, shame, pride, ego. These are the real forces behind your financial decisions. Everyone grows up with a money story. Some people grow up hearing, money is hard, money is dangerous, money changes people. Others grow up hearing, money is freedom, money is opportunity, money is responsibility. And here's the truth. Your story becomes your reality, not because it's true, but because you believe it. If you grew up watching your parents struggle, you learn to survive, not to grow, not to build, not to invest, just survive. People don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because they're emotionally attached to the version of themselves that struggles. Struggle becomes familiar, and the familiar feels safe, even when it hurts. You know what's scary? Not being broke. What's scary is becoming someone new, someone disciplined, someone responsible, someone who respects money, because that version of you is unknown, and the unknown feels dangerous. You can't build a wealthy life with a broke identity. You must become the kind of person who respects money before money respects you. We are living in one of the most psychologically dangerous financial environments in history. For the first time ever, people compare their lives to thousands of strangers every single day, and comparison destroys financial peace. People feel pressured to look successful before becoming stable, so they finance lifestyles they cannot afford. Luxury apartments, expensive clothes, new cars, trips they secretly cannot pay for. And slowly, their entire financial life becomes performance. They are no longer building wealth. They are managing appearances. And appearances are expensive. Most people think wealth is built from motivation, but motivation fades. Real wealth is built through discipline. The quiet kind, the invisible kind, the kind nobody claps for. Discipline is cooking at home when everyone else is overspending. Discipline is investing early while others chase appearances. Discipline is saying no temporarily so your future can say yes permanently. Discipline is not punishment. It is self-respect. Wealth is not built in big moments. It's built in small decisions, repeated every day. Saving $5, avoiding impulse buys, tracking your spending, learning one new thing about money each week. Small habits create big results. If you don't control your emotions will control your money. Every time you feel stressed, you spend. Every time you feel lonely, you buy something to feel better. Every time you feel insecure, you try to impress people. Money is not the goal. Money is a mirror. It reflects your discipline, your habits, your fears, your beliefs. And once you understand that, you stop chasing money and you start transforming yourself. Because when you change who you are, your financial life changes with you. There comes a moment when the pretending becomes exhausting. When the pressure catches up, the debt, the anxiety, the emotional exhaustion of trying to look successful while secretly struggling. And eventually, you stop running. You finally sit down, open the bank account, look at the numbers honestly, and for the first time, you stop blaming life and start taking ownership. And then one day, something shifts. You stop chasing validation. You stop trying to impress people. You stop using money emotionally. And for the first time, peace enters your financial life. Not because you became rich overnight, but because your relationship with money changed. One day, you'll realize the goal was never just money. The real goal was freedom. Freedom from fear. Freedom from survival mode. Freedom from emotional patterns that controlled your decisions for years. And maybe that's where wealth truly begins, not in your bank account, but within you. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. This is Inner Shift Finance, and this is your shift.